Thank you for tuning in again with me. This is going to be a fairly quick one. It's just going to show you how to make an El Cheapo small little amp sound a lot bigger than what it really actually is. It's a technique similar to what I showed in the how to mic an acoustic. Basically, you're just doubling up your amp, doubling up your microphones. What you're going to end up doing is you're going to put a microphone, a dynamic like 57 or 58 style microphone, right up against your on axis, right up against the grill of the amplifier, and then you use something like this C1 condenser mic here, and you put it out here somewhere around right in this area. You can see I've already got this one set up, the 57, and then you put your condenser mic. I'll actually show you a little bit later when I've actually got everything set up. Otherwise it's going to be a bunch of squeaking and popping and stuff. But I'll demonstrate clean on this. You see this little amp? It's a Marshall MG10cd. I did a review on it. I've got another little amp that I got. My uncle Wade gave me this Epiphone SG Junior with the P90 pickup, and he gave me this G6. I think it's a Laney. I'm not sure. No, it's a DoD. Sorry, it's a DoD amp. It sounds pretty good. I haven't got a whole lot of chance to mess with it. That's why I haven't done a review on it yet. I've been just busy with moving and all kinds of other stuff. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you how this technique is used. It's a old secret, old technique used in a lot of studios for getting just a thicker, fuller sound. Once again, you're going to have the 57 pan to one ear and the condenser pan to another ear. It just gives us a stereo illusion. This really broad spectrum sound. It's really nice. I'll show you too what it sounds like dry, and then microphone, and then I'll put a small bit of effect on there to show you what it sounds like. The clean was done with the PV Raptor Plus EXP, and the distortion was done with an Epiphone Les Paul standard special model, sorry, special El Cheapo, the $150 one. Anyways, so yeah, here we go. Enjoy.